Looking for a griddle that actually makes cooking easier and more efficient? Imagine having a single cooking surface that holds more pancakes, eggs, and sandwiches than your usual rectangular griddle. That's exactly what this square-shaped griddle delivers: more room to cook everything at once, so you spend less time juggling pans and more time enjoying your meal. I've been using this griddle for several months, and it's quickly become my go-to for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Whether I'm cooking eggs, sausage, pancakes, or even bacon and buttered biscuits, everything fits comfortably on its large 14 by 15-inch surface. The built-in backstop ledge makes flipping and moving food effortless, and the nonstick coating means nothing sticks or burns. Cleanup is a breeze. Just slide out the drip tray and wipe down, or even toss it in the dishwasher after removing the heat control. Plus, the cool touch base keeps things safe while you cook. What really sets this griddle apart is the exclusive multi-function tray. It flips back to keep your cooked food warm, flips up to act as a spatter shield, swings forward for melting and steaming, and even removes to serve your meal right from the griddle. The Control Master heat control keeps your cooking temperature steady without constant adjustments, so your food comes out perfectly every time. Some users notice faint lines from the heating coils, but it doesn't affect taste or cooking quality. Just a small trade-off for all these benefits. If you want a smart, spacious griddle that handles all your meals with ease, this is worth a look. It's designed to fit standard kitchen cabinets and is fully immersible once you remove the heat control, making storage and cleaning hassle-free. Whether you're feeding a family or just want to streamline your cooking, this griddle delivers what you need without the extra mess. Ready to upgrade your kitchen with a griddle that truly works for you? Try this square griddle when you're ready and enjoy more cooking space, easy cleanup, and versatile features that make every meal better.